Hi, I'm a Fusilli. Any pasta lovers here? Especially my kind, the awesome spiral-shaped pasta. The kid in this house loves me. I'm sweet and sour and oh so good. First, let me swim in some boiling water for 8 minutes. Add a little salt to the pool. Then cook up some fresh shrimp. Now toss in some chopped tomatoes. Stir them around a bit. Add more salt to get the juices flowing. A little ketchup to season it up. A splash of water. Now it's my turn. Pour me in. Mix it all together. Add a bit of mushroom soy sauce. This will make the taste even better. Before serving, sprinkle some parsley flakes for aroma. And this delicious pasta is complete. My texture is just the best. So springy and fun to eat.